Welcome to Varshini Vlog. Today we are going to prepare a snack recipe which is onion masala vada, and for that we need to take chana dal. I have taken 4 cups of chana dal. The measuring cup I will show you right now, and you need to soak it for minimum 2 hours and maximum of 3 hours, 2.5 to 3 hours. I am showing the measuring cup. See, in this I have taken 4 cups of chana dal and I have soaked it with water. I have cleaned it and I have soaked it for 2 hours. With that you need to add 2 big onions and salt. First we will see how to grind it. You need to take all the chana dals and you need to just take only the dal without water, without that soaked water. You need to put it inside a mixer grinder. You can do it with your hands or you can use a spatula also, in whatever method you feel it comfortable. And I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of salt. I have taken only 2 cups of chana dal right now because my mixer grinder jar is small, so I'm going to grind it twice as 2 batches. In the first batch, I have taken 2 cups of chana dal and without water, and the salt 1.5 tablespoons I have taken, and that big jeera you will say, no, that sombu they will say, that I have taken 1 tablespoon. It's very good for health and it will give you pleasant smell also. And I am taking 20 in total 20 chilies we are using. In that I am taking only 10 for the first batch. Everything half measure I am taking. And asafoetida powder 4 pinches. In total we are going to take 8 pinches. In that for the first batch I am taking 4 pinches. And you need to grind it in that mixer jar in a coarse, as a coarse paste. You can keep it in 2 and 3 numbers in the mixer jar, and ensure that you are not even adding a single drop of water inside the mixer jar, because already it has been soaked. In that water is already available in a little amount inside the dal. Only that water is enough. No need to add even a pinch of water. Then you won't get that in a proper manner, the dal mixture. You need to make it as a coarse paste. Then only you will get like in a crispy manner that masala vada. The first batch is over. The first batch coarse paste after grinding. The second batch also. The remaining 2 cups of chana dal, and you can leave a handful of chana dal to mix at last with this paste, the second batch paste. I am leaving just a handful of chana dal. And I am adding the remaining 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 4 pinches of asafoetida powder, remaining 4 pinches of asafoetida powder, and 1 tablespoon of big jeera, that is sombu, you will call it as sombu. Those things, and 1.5 tablespoons of salt, with the remaining 2 cups of chana dal, soaked chana dal. You need to remove all the water and you need to add only the chana dal, and you can make it as a fine paste. For that you can keep it in 2-3 number in mixer jar without adding water. Once you can grind like that, and then you can use pulse mode, so that you will get at a super coarse, fine coarse paste. After grinding, I saw few of the red chilies didn't grind properly. The remaining chilies also you need to add during the second batch. It wasn't grinded properly. So what I did was I took all the red chilies and I grinded it separately. Even that I didn't make it as a fine powder. I made it as a coarse paste only, so that you will get that crispness. And the remaining 1 handful, no, in that 4 cup, remaining 1 handful I'm adding as such with this 2 batches of paste, coarse paste of dal, chana dal mixture, for that masal vada mixture with that. Now in a heavy bottomed kadai, you can take half liter of oil and you can heat it up. Once the oil gets heated up, you apply in the 2 hands, oil in the 2 hands. Preparation of vada I am telling. You can take a heavy bottomed kadai and you can add half liter of oil in that, any oil as you wish except coconut oil. You can use any other oil. And to enhance more taste, I am adding 2 big onions which is finely chopped with that masala vada mixture, and coriander, curry leaf mixture. Everything you can cut it into small pieces and you can add with this masala vada mixture. If you want, even you can add curry leaves, coriander as you wish. A little amount, finely chopped. Everything you need to finely chop it, cut it, and then add it with the mixture and see the consistency. Now it looks like a bit watery, so I am adding 4 tablespoons of rice flour, because we have taken 4 cups of chana dal, no, soaked chana dal. So I am adding 4 tablespoons of rice powder, raw rice powder. And in the palm, you can, in the both hands palm, you can apply oil, and you can take a small small amount of dough. You can make it as a ball, and you need to keep it in the palm, mid of the palm in the left hand, and you need to give a gentle tap in that round ball. Now our crispy masala vada dough is ready for frying. In the first batch, you add around 6 to 7 vadas, repeated in the same manner, and you can fry it and take all the, and you can continue with the same process for all the other batches and continue till all your dough finishes. Now you will get crispy, tasty masala vada. You should do as what I am showing in the video. Each and every dough you need to carefully do like that. You need to apply oil in your palm. In the mid of the palm, you make it as a ball, the dough. Keep it like this, and you need to give a gentle tap. And then you can put it inside the oil. After the oil gets heated up, you keep it in a simmer flame or very low flame. Continue the same process for all the dough till all your dough finishes. You will get crispy, tasty vada like this. Now your tasty, crispy onion masala vada is ready. You can enjoy with your tea or coffee. If you try this recipe, if you like this, please don't hesitate to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Varshini Vlog. Please press the bell icon and just give a tap to all option. Thanks for watching. Bye.